I remember the way you used to put me first in things you did. Haven't seen your face since last November. I keep following up, but we ran out of time. Looking back, our love seems like a daydream. Even now I visit every single place we've been. All the time we spent together changed me. I stay high on the days before we said goodbye. I'm regretting these feels I feel for you. Asking why.
Okay, so I just got done washing my hair and I am going to be applying some mousse. Oh my gosh, y'all need to get this mousse. This mousse smells so good, right? I'm just going to apply some mousse to my hair like so. And you could apply some on the actual hair, like right where your hair is, kind of like minimize some frizziness. I am going to take my scarf and tie it down. So, I'll make sure to tie it down a little tight. So, and then I'm going to get myself together and get ready to go. Okay, hearties, so this is a quick note to y'all. If you want to avoid a lot of frizz to the front, it's best to do feed in, but it's kind of difficult for me to do feed in on myself, so that's why I didn't do it, and I just added the hair only to the ends of the hair. But later on, as it gets frizzier, I'm just going to re-braid the front and then keep rocking the hair. But this is how it's looking. So if I really wanted to, I could apply some gel and then tie it down, and like all the frizz would kind of be laid down. The mousse helps with the laying down, but if I really wanted to make it lay down really good, I would apply some gel and then just tie it down. But I do plan on like refreshing the front, so I'll like braid the front over. But right now, lying about the life, it still looks good to me. It looks good just like that. And I go ahead and lay my edges, and then I'm pretty much done. And I didn't mention in this video, when the hair is completely dry, I go ahead and moisturize my scalp with my coconut oil, and I also add some leave-in conditioner. But it still looks good. Still looks nice. Eventually I'll re-braid the front, and yeah, make it last, honey, make it last, but it still looks good. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.